The accelerating rate of turnover in the manufacturing workforce is making Excel and paper-based skills management processes of the past obsolete. With Augmentir, manufacturers can digitally track skills, but also tie that into the work being done. With Augmentir skills management capabilities, you can validate at the time of work assignment who has the skill level to perform a specific task, which helps reduce risk and improve safety compliance. Personalize step-by-step work instructions and support based on skill level, endorsements, and real-time work performance. Prevent through the power of digital workflows anyone from doing work that doesn't have a current endorsement or from doing work independently when they're required to have supervision. Use data from actual work performance to inform your reskilling and upskilling decisions. Augmentir helps companies digitally transform frontline operations, helping manufacturers understand and support their workers at an individual level, enabling work in ways that are engaging, rewarding, safer, and easier for each worker. Transform your frontline operations with Augmentir and build a more skilled and efficient workforce.